In brief, when we were campaigning, we developed a manifesto under which we were elected. And we are making sure that all of what we promise in manifesto will be achieved by end of next year. One of them was training, offering digital training, which we have launched today officially, and which we have already first graduates. As I've said in the speech, we'll be doing it monthly. We'll be taking 32 students every month. And we want also to expand in sub-counties so that those who cannot afford to stay in Nyamira can get the training near their homes. And it's also an opportunity for entrepreneurs also to establish private hostels so that these students can operate from near the training center.